Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys these brown tomatoes. They are called Kumato. 5 of them come to a package. So we're going to go ahead and open them. So guys, this is what the brown tomatoes look like. The brown tomatoes come from Spain and they're sweeter than your typical red tomato. They have like a sweet tart taste. So with these tomatoes, you can use them on sandwiches, chicken sandwich, you can use them in omelets, especially Capri salad. You can cut them and put them in with the mozzarella cheese, the salt, olive oil, and fresh basil. So I'm about to slice one and show you what it looks like. So I wanted to show you guys, look how beautiful the brown is on these Kumatos. So I wanted to show you, I have some olive oil, some sea salt, and some black pepper. So when you have your tomato sliced like this, you can just go ahead and grab a little bit of olive oil and just drizzle it on top like this. Then you can go ahead and put some salt over top of them and also some black pepper. They're delicious, just like this. So guys, if you get a chance, try these tomatoes. It's always nice to try new foods, and these are delicious. I guarantee you, you'll love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.